Welcome to London St Pancras.
222019 off to Sheffield via Leicester and Derby. Two 019 to Sheffield via Leicester Derby. There's a javelin over there, trying to hide behind the Eurostar. Now departing platform number 2 at St Pancras. We are 1434 East Midlands Railway high-speed train service to Nottingham via Leicester and East Midlands Parkway, and also Corningham Market Harbour. 43272. Which I can't remember if it had a name or not. Got 44075, 42146, 42237, 42326, 40701, 41095, to 43309 off to Nottingham. They're going to form the 1645 East Midlands Railway off Nottingham. And there's 222006 in the EMR purple at the ends. Now we've got to wait for one of them in an intercity colour and one of them in a purpley colour. So we got a 7 car, a 5 car, and a 4 car. I think that's one of the times that's one of the times I've only seen one of each stock of 222s. Now leaving platform number 4 at St Pancras International will be your East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. Be your 1500 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. Triple 2006. Has this one got a name? The carbon cutter. 222006, the carbon cutter to Sheffield via Leicester and Derby. Leave that. Yeah, that's the one that just does Derby. That's the one that just does Leicester, Derby, Chesterfield, and Sheffield. No, it's not Anne. It's a 222 from Cricklewood. Triple 2021. No, this ain't come from Cricklewood. It's got people on it. Triple 2021 from somewhere else, which will be along or down the bottom. Now departing platform 2, it's the Pancras is the 1505 to Nottingham via Leicester. 222-005. Doing the semi-fast, which calls it all the stops like Wellingborough, Kettering, Leicester, Loughborough, East Midlands, Beeston, Nottingham. I think that's it. 222-005. Running at Wellingborough, Kettering, Market Harborough, Leicester, Loughborough, Beeston and Nottingham. 222-005 or 222-005 to Nottingham via Leicester. Now approaching platform 4, it's an East Midlands Railway service from Sheffield or Nottingham. Oh, it's got its number at the front. 222-018. Apparently already wants to go to Sheffield. Triple 2018, take it from Sheffield. Five Delta 48 East Midlands Railway service from Cricklewood Depot. 5 Delta 48. Got 43. We've got 43274. Oh, this is loose. Two 222-018 heading back off to Sheffield. Also reversing is 66953. That's it, keep going. Back. Really trained to death. The beeps, you know. Beep, beep, beep. 66, reversing. 222-018 to Sheffield. 66953 off to Churchyard Sidings Terminal. Over there is 395-018, the Victory Javelin. That is... it's coming in from Faversham. Hang on. So what's that going to for? Well, it's definitely not the 1537 to Dover. 395 018 395 007 to from somewhere. Now departing platform number 1 at St Pancras speed 1534 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. 43102 and now 57 43274 222 003 Tornado. I'm gonna have to put 3 titles for this. 44057 42210 42109 42159 40702 41165 to 483274. And they're off to Nottingham. And that concludes the episode at St Pancras International. Hang on, one more thing departing is the 1537 Southeastern Surface to Dover Priory, or should.